In 2020, Google launched a redesigned Google Pay app for Android and iOS, which centers around relationships with people and businesses, and helps users understand, organize, and save money. We have designed the new app to give brands of all sizes an easy way to engage with Google Pay users through a branded experience. It's a dedicated space where users and merchants build relationships at scale. With just a tap, your customers can now redeem offers, sign up for loyalty, view transaction history, and more, right from the Google Pay app. The new Google Pay app is available today to consumers in the US, Singapore, and India, with new markets coming soon. What does it mean for developers? First, if you integrate with the Google Pay APIs for Android and web, all transactions will show under your branded home once a user makes a purchase with Google Pay or a Google Pay enrolled card, in-app, through your website, or in-store. In case your company uses a loyalty program today, you can leverage the loyalty enrollment and sign-in API to allow customers to discover, enroll, or sign into your loyalty program directly from the Google Pay app and soon Google Maps. Customers provide their consent, and Google Pay will securely share sign-up details with your loyalty program's sign-up process. Your brand, with one-click access to your loyalty program, becomes instantly searchable to millions of active Google Pay users. Check out our workshop, Enable Frictionless Loyalty Sign-in and Sign-up on Google Pay and Google Maps, to learn more. Follow us on Twitter to stay up to date on new features and developer news from the Google Pay team.